Hello, today we're at the Naja Shrine Center with Rick. So first of all, Rick, tell us your affiliation with the Shriners.
So I am the potentate of Naja Shrine. The potentate is basically the president of the board of directors. So Naja Shrine was started 150 years ago in New York City by a group of people who were Masons and part of the Masonic Lodge there in New York City. One of them was an actor, and he wanted to kind of do something that was a little bit more fun, something that was just kind of a fun club, fun fraternity. And so at the time, the rave was Moroccan-themed parties and things like that. And so Shriners are kind of, the theme derives from North Africa and a lot of symbolism and everything from that. But it's a fun fraternity for young men and families to get involved with and have a good time. Here in South Dakota, Naja Shrine was created in 1893. And in western South Dakota, Deadwood was the largest community. We're chartered out of Deadwood. We've been happy to be part of that community for over 125 years. We love that community, and they support us a lot. So this year is the 100th anniversary of our hospital system. Our hospital system started back in 1923, and it was a result of the polio outbreak that was going on at the time. And Shriners at the time had felt like they needed to do something more for the community. And so part of that was starting a hospital. Our first one was in Shreveport, Louisiana. And within just a few years, it grew to having hospitals all over the United States. Now we have hospitals here in the United States, in Mexico, and in Canada. We're the largest pediatric specialty healthcare organization in the country. We help kids with spinal injuries, with orthopedic care. We are getting into helping kids with sports injuries. And we do that regardless of the child's ability to pay. If they have some insurance, we cover the difference. If they're not insured, we cover it all, including getting them there, getting their families to the health care, and just taking care of it all. We've been bringing the circus to western South Dakota for 83 years. Right now, we currently hold circuses in Rapid City, in Deadwood. We hold circuses out in Wallen Phillip, and up in northwest South Dakota in Bison, Lemon, and Buffalo, in those areas. They're fundraisers that help support the Shriners out here so that we can keep operational, so that we can help our kids get the medical care. So like right now, for instance, in western South Dakota, we're helping over 700 patients. And we do that, again, by helping them get to their appointments, but we also drive them there. We have Shriners who will take time and they'll drive them all the way to Minneapolis. Our closest hospital and our affiliated hospital is in Twin Cities in Minneapolis. Those circus fundraisers, some other things that you see us in the community, like the Black Hills Meat Fest and things like that, those funds help us operate so that we can take care of our patients. And in celebration of our 150th anniversary and the 100th year of the hospital, we're able to partner with the state. And Governor Noem asked us to decorate the state Christmas tree in the Capitol this year. So us, along with the other 2 shrine temples in South Dakota, we get to decorate the Christmas tree in the theme of both the hospital and the fraternity. So we're very honored to be able to do that and be recognized statewide.
All right, well, thank you.
You're welcome.